What happens if Earth stops rotating for 10 seconds? Earth spins endlessly through the dark silence of space, a fragile blue jewel of motion and life. But what if, for just 10 seconds, it suddenly stopped? Without warning, without reason. In that instant, everything we know, the oceans, the winds, even the ground beneath our feet, would rebel against stillness. Mountains, trees, cities, all caught in a fleeting moment of suspended chaos. Our planet rotates at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator, fast enough to make time zones and sunsets possible. This invisible spin gives us day and night, drives weather, shapes ocean currents, and keeps gravity in delicate balance. But if all that motion were to stop, inertia, the universe's stubborn law of momentum, would take over. Every object, every molecule not firmly attached to the Earth, would continue moving, oblivious to the sudden stillness. Everything not nailed to the planet would keep moving. Cars, buildings, oceans, even the air itself. Skyscrapers would crumble as hurricane-force winds tear through cities, carrying debris and chaos for miles. Walls of water, towering kilometers high, would race across continents, swallowing everything in their path. In those 10 terrifying seconds, Earth would transform into a storm of unstoppable motion, a furious dance of momentum and gravity. The ground would shudder, rivers would surge, and the sky would roar with unstoppable energy. And then, motion would return. The planet begins spinning again, dragging its atmosphere, oceans, and crust back into rhythm. Winds reverse. Earthquakes ripple through fault lines. The magnetic field shudders. For a brief moment, our world becomes unstable, confused, before slowly finding balance again. The sky clears, but the scars of those 10 seconds linger, reminders of the delicate harmony that keeps our planet alive. Civilization would collapse in moments, yet somewhere, deep underground or in the hidden depths of the ocean, life would endure. Microbes, resilient sea creatures, and perhaps a few humans, adapting, surviving, holding on to the fragile rhythm of a wounded world. Even in the face of such unimaginable upheaval, life has a stubborn way of persisting, reminding us that existence is never truly still. Motion is the heartbeat of the universe. Every star, every planet, every atom, spinning endlessly, bound in an elegant, infinite dance. Life exists only because nothing ever truly stops. The Earth keeps turning, and so do we. And perhaps in that rotation we find not just survival, but the wonder of being alive.